I'm Dr. Michael Jacobs, Director of Product Development at Jet Surgical Devices. We make the Jet Multi-Instrument Safety Holster, a device designed to enhance surgical safety and improve surgical organization. The primary function is to safely holster electrosurgical devices of varying sizes to reduce the risk of OR-related burns and fires. Numerous organizations such as AORN, the FDA, ECRI, and the Joint Commission all have position statements that recommend the use of a non-conductive holster during surgery to safely secure the ESU and/or energy device while not in use. In a few moments, Mary and I will demonstrate the techniques for using the Jet Safety Holster. The device contains a unique combination of UL-rated fire retardant materials that provide for a safe, rigid, lightweight, non-conductive two-compartment holster. The smaller left-sided holster is designed to hold smaller electrosurgical units, such as pencil-sized cautery devices. The right-sided chamber was designed to hold longer devices, such as larger electrosurgical devices and/or laparoscopic camera equipment. The sides of each chamber have debris removers or scrapers. 3 holes are located on the flange of the holster to allow fastening to the surgical field. The Jet Multi-Instrument Safety Holster is 100% latex-free and is indicated for use during procedures that require the use of multiple electrosurgical devices and heat-generating equipment. Examples may include short electrosurgical devices such as the handheld pencil-sized cautery, larger, open, laparoscopic, or robotic electrosurgical devices, including vessel sealing devices and ultrasonic energy devices. Open or laparoscopic ablation probes, argon beam coagulation probes, the laparoscope and camera, and other laparoscopic equipments may also be used. The Jet Multi-Instrument Safety Holster is also intended to help organize the operative field, reduce drape strike-through from an unholstered device, and minimize expensive dropped equipment. The device can be applied to traditional open, laparoscopic, and robotic procedures for all specialties. The sterile packaging should be inspected for breach of sterility. The sterile package should be opened at the top using the peel-away cover and the device deployed onto the sterile field in a sliding motion, taking care to maintain sterile protocol. This process is best accomplished by hand-delivering the device to the recipient. The holster can be placed on the sterile field according to the operator's preference. The device should be attached to the sterile field in a vertical fashion using fastening holes located on the top flange of the device. It may be helpful to locate it across from the operator for ease of access and organization. It is recommended that the device be secured by at least 2 of the fastening holes. Examples include non-penetrating towel clamps or the self-adherent straps commonly found on surgical drapes. The device should be maintained above the sterile field at all times. The device should be disposed of in accordance with clinical guidelines and medical waste protocols. The materials are fully recyclable. The device is single-use only. For additional information, please visit www.jetsurgicaldevices.com